welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these really easy and delicious high protein and fiber banana oats muffins. Let's get started. First, you're going to need 250 grams of bananas. The riper the better, since we're not going to be using any sugar. You can add these into a blender, but I like to smash them like this because I like chunks of bananas in my muffins. Then you're gonna need 100 grams of eggs. I'm using 2 eggs here. Mix everything up really well. Next, add in 50 ml of no sugar milk and 100 grams of yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt for a higher protein, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to be using regular no sugar yogurt from Vinamilk. Add in blended oats, protein powder, baking soda, stevia, and vanilla extract. Stevia is optional, so if you don't have it, skip it. Mix everything up really well until well combined. Fill up your muffin tins. I use a silicone mold here for better removal later. Bake these at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes or until you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. Let these cool completely and enjoy. These muffins are so soft and delicious, and it's perfect for your weight loss journey. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and see you next time.